We're at Empire Ford Lincoln in Huntington, New York. And these guys have been partners of Maxlider Brothers Customs for a long time. We've built a number of Broncos for their customers, but we decided to take our relationship to the next level. And so we have Broncos on display here at the dealership. You can come test drive one, you can buy one. What's cool about today is met a lot of people, a lot of great folks from New York, and we've had customers bring by their Maxlider Broncos to show them off here at the show, and they look awesome. Like this 21 Velocity Blue, white accents, Maxlider built. It's amazing. Thank you to the team at Empire Ford. You guys are great, have taken incredible care of us. And if you're looking for a Bronco, come and see these guys, because they can get one ordered, have it drop shipped to us. We can do the upfit and then send it back to the dealership. Or if you're in a hurry, we have Broncos that we can provide you right now. You gotta come talk to these guys. They're great. I'm gonna go grab some barbecue because I'm getting a little hungry, and you guys know I like to eat.